I came from Israel in 1989 with my family and a 172-pound Mastiff Neapolitan. A big dog, beautiful. I love dogs. But the dog peed one time in his life on the Oriental rug. Then I have it at home, then I brought it from Israel. Whenever I tried to clean it, I bought all the cleaning product from the pet store. I realized then the smell it becomes stronger and stronger. So I called to a white car. You know, the white carpet cleaner. And they come over, they shampoo the rug, and they put deodorize and they charge me extra. But it still smells. Then I call another carpet cleaner, and it still smells. So I realized that's nothing I can do. One guy, then he was very honest with me, from Rainbow International. His name is Del Carico. God bless him. He said to me, "No way, nobody in the world can remove this smell from the rug. Throw it away." I said, "This is 100 years old. It's in my family for generations. I have to clean it." Make the story short, I started working for him for 9 months. Great guy. And I realized that nobody can remove the urine odor completely without masking the urine with a deodorized or chemical smell. And this is not what I want. I pay you to remove the urine odor from the Oriental rug, and this is what I'm looking for. So all the cleaning product then it's in the market, Nature Miracle, Febreze, Resolve, Woolite, they're having a deodorize in it. And when you blend a vanilla deodorize with a PeePee, it becomes like a PeePee vanilla. And this is drive me crazy because I love vanilla without the other smell of the PeePee. I decide this is what I have to do. And I opened the company PetPeePee. And I invented the XPetPee machine that's cleaned the Oriental rug through the rug. And because I came from Israel, I am using the organic, natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea. My mom used to use it, and it's working amazing. So the cleaning product from the Dead Sea, it is odor-free. It meant it never deposit any unpleasant smell into the fiber. None. And because I don't use no scrubber, no squeezy, no centrifuge machine, the hair will remain the way it is. The fiber, no fuzziness. So my guarantee is simple. Upon delivery, put your nose whatever you want on the clean Oriental rug. Guarantee in writing, no trace of urine odor, clean, shiny, and beautiful looking rug. Stay tuned and see how to fold a big Oriental rug for shipping. Hello, hello. Let me show you how to fold a supersized Oriental rug. 9 by 12, 11 by 14, 11 by 17, 10 by 20. Those type of rug will be easy to fold and ship to PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaning. Flip the Oriental rug. Very important. Flip the Oriental rug so the bottom of the rug will face the ceiling. Go the way how I do it. Please. It will save the rug and it will be easy and small like a pancake. Fold the rug. 2 people can do a better job than one. However, even if you by yourself, Fold it nicely, no wrinkles, flat. Then, after this, do about 18 inches every fold. So it will be easy to put it in the big garbage bag. You will see it in the continues. This is the hardest part. That's it. Now, we take a garbage bag, the big one that's sold in Home Depot, the heavy duty, and you put it in one side. 11 by 14 will fit perfectly in it. 9 by 12 heavy rug will go in this garbage bag. Apply the duct tape all over. Measure the Oriental rug and text me the size, the height, the width, and the long, and the dip. That's it. This package is ready to ship. Take the measurement, text me the measurement with your address, and I will email you the UPS label. That's it. UPS will come to your door and pick up the package. I guarantee in writing, upon delivery to my warehouse, when I receive the rug, I will notify you right away. And I will even make a video how I clean your rug so you can watch it on YouTube. Thank you, Mayor Martin, the owner of